Hello, Amrita.
Hi.
Thank you so much for being with us here today. Avataar is one of the few organizations globally who's leveraging AI-led computer vision technology, which is enabling brands to create unique customer experiences. The interesting part is that the Forrester report says that 100% of the organizations will be using artificial intelligence in some form or the other. But the biggest challenge today is how do we create AI without a bias? And that's possible only when there is a diverse team on the back end who's building this AI, right? Now, as the head of HR for India for Avataar, I want to understand how are you creating a diverse team and how are you creating an inclusive culture for Avataar?
Thank you. That's a great question, Abitha. We, like many other company, have very encouraging diversity ratio. However, our commitment to diversity extends beyond the conventional, and we are trying to embrace a more logical and a revenue impacting perspective. So, therefore, we are trying to understand and go beyond and embrace skill, experience, and the cognitive ability of our workforce. And therefore, getting into a space which we call as cognitive diversity inside our company. And why would we do it? Being a deep tech startup in 3D AR VR domain, we realize that there is an immense potential of innovation, of technology advancement, and the discovery of it within this field, right? And we therefore felt that we need a diversity of thoughts and perspectives to generate not only creative but commercially viable solutions. So as a part of our strategy, our R&D team currently comprises of a unique combination of 3D artists, AI researchers, and engineers, bringing in the left and the right brain attributes. The other thing that is also happening within our floor is there is an immense opportunity for our team to learn from each other. There is an awareness of self and others. It's helping us to build workforce that is curious to learn and in turn upskilling themselves.
It's interesting that you mentioned about your focus on upskilling your workforce. In fact, lack of opportunities for growth and learning is one of the biggest reasons for attrition today. A structured learning path combined with a plan for internal mobility is what really organizations need today. So, how are you enabling this at Avataar?
So at Avtar, it's a mindset, it's a prerequisite. It's a default parameter we are using for hiring as well as for PMS. So we have encouraged our employees to dedicate time to research, gain insights from peer group in various international conferences. There are a lot of inspirations and e-learning platforms, thanks to LinkedIn as well, for giving that extra benefit of content readily available for the team. And so this shift in the approach have resulted in increase in internal mobility. We have witnessed diverse transition within team, whether it's QA to sales, a very different background, or sales to product operation, customer support to product operation. This transition have only helped us understand that we are not only upskilling but creating opportunities for our workforce and for our teams to get into different fields and excel in those categories.
That's great to hear, Amrita, because I think learning and development initiatives are the most impactful when employees are able to transform themselves and the organization. It was such an insightful discussion today. Thank you so much for doing this with us.
Thank you.